Welcome back to TechMan. In today's video, I will show you on how you can use credit balance on TEMU. This will be very quick and simple, so make sure to follow along. First thing we need to check is if we have a credit balance. So go to your TEMU app, then on the bottom of the screen, click You. Over here, you will see this option to check your credit balance. Click on that. In my case, I have nothing on my balance, but if you have a balance, you can see it in here. To use it, go to your cart and find the items you want to check out. So let's check the items over here. Then click checkout over here. And here you can see all your items. And if you scroll down, you will see payment methods over here. If you have any money on your credit balance, that option can be shown here. But in my case, I don't have any credit balance, so the option for using my credit balance is not here. Now click on your credit balance for mode of payment. Then if you think you're good to go, click on submit order and follow the other prompts. That's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.